So I am Chef Scott, of course, and welcome to Sats in the Kitchen. And today we're going to do something really quick and really yummy. The other day I actually demonstrated this, and somebody thought that this combination of ingredients was disgusting, but it's not. Afterwards they said it was the best smoothie they've ever had. So smoothies, of course, are easy. And why is a smoothie healthier than a fruit juice? Because, of course, all the fiber that goes into it. So like many smoothies, we're going to start by putting in some bananas. You might try for just 1 or 2 servings, 1 banana. And you can use light or full-fat coconut milk. But I'm going to make a lot more smoothie than what I'm telling you to make. So I'm just going to throw all of this in. I'm going to put in a lot of bananas. Fiber, potassium. And always freeze your fruit. Instead of instead of fresh mango, I want frozen mango. Here we go. Let's put in some carrot juice. So mango and carrot. Not everybody would combine those two things. And I also have some grated ginger, and I'm going to put in the grated ginger. If you want to see the specs for this recipe, it's on the description page for this episode. Let's go ahead and get it going. Let's see. Let me take a taste. It's the ginger that I put in. Well, I still want more. What do I want in there? I want more carrot juice. I'm actually going to make this for like 9 people right now. Oh, that's not going to work. I'll tell you what, just a second. Ah! Oh my! Okay, there we go. A little bit more ginger. Very strong. And I think we did it. So let me see here. Let's pour some cola. Hi, cola.
Hey, Chef.
You're so shy.
Yeah, I know.
You want to taste this mango, carrot, and ginger smoothie?
Yes, I will.
Go ahead. And is
It's good.
Is it yummy?
It's good.
Would you want to have more?
Yes.
Only if you get off camera.
Okay.
Okay. So, that's it. Let me try it for you, just to make sure. That's really yummy. Anyway, something you might try at home. I think you're really going to enjoy it. And thanks for watching.